This morning I'm making scrambled eggs, some bacon, and a lot of spinach. And I put the raw eggs, mixed them up in the container, added a pile of fresh spinach, and then cooked it for 1.5 minutes. And this is what it looks like at 1.5 minutes. Not quite done yet, but I made it yesterday, the same thing, and nothing stuck to the inside. I did not use cooking spray. I just used a spatula and removed the eggs from the Lekue container, and there's nothing sticking. It's a breeze to wash.